Umuntu wakho o light skin or dark skin?
Umuntu light skinned.
Okay, how long have you guys been together?
Since now 2 years manje.
Okay. A relationship ihamba kahle?
Yeah, hayi kamnandi mfethu, hayi kamnandi.
Okay. Is she tall or short?
Utall.
Okay. Okay, cool. Igama lakho, oh, we say when last did you see her? Did you see her?
Sure.
You said when last did you see her?
Izolo.
Okay. And igama lakho ubani?
Uphamela.
Pamela.
Yeah, sure.
Ngubani uPamela?
Yo, kanti uwe.
Ndifuna ukwazi ngubani uPamela, suthi kanti ndimi ngubani uPamela?
Just come a little bit.
Suthi baby kum, ngubani uPamela thetha? Ukuba uphendulanga fowuni xa bekutheni, ndibuza uPamela ngubani?
Awume kancane.
Nine-2 years wena noPamela, nine-2 years yonke wena noPamela.
Manje ufuna abantu bahleke abama-TV ukuthi bangifonele uzongibuza lento lezo.
Icacile mos uba ndindedwanga. Andindedwanga mos, icacile mos loo nto le.
Dala ngikutshela ukuthi unesikhathi sokudlala wena.
Ndinesikhathi sodlala sothini, bendizawufind out kanjani ngoPamela? Bendizawufind out kanjani?
Hayi. Yafana nginika nini isikhathi sakho ngoba unasikhathi unama-excuse njalo bafuna ukukubona uyacomplain mfethu.
Xa
What's up on nini?
Monday besingathi benanga?
Cabanga ngigcine Monday namhlanje nini?
Phela awushadanga mfethu. Awushadanga, you can't want to see her every day.